This tiny bacterial culture is used to ferment 500 liters of milk, but you can still divide it to get the portion for 1 liter of milk. This and lots more is what I'm going to be teaching you in Become a Yogurt Boss BAYB 2024. I'm going to open your eyes to deep secrets. You can see this tiny culture I'm putting now is from that mixture, and I'm using this tiny one to ferment 10 liters of milk. In total, I just produced 30 liters of yogurt. You are going to see a lot in Become a Yogurt Boss. If you have not registered for this class, I don't know what to say to you, but you're going to miss a lot. And I'm not going to be teaching all this for this price anymore. It's going to double, triple, name it. So hurry to my DM and register. Secure your slot now, and 2024 is sure. Class is starting January 8th. So click the link in the video description below for more details to secure your slot. Hurry now.